Hi students, today in this video we go for standard 8 English chapter 4 part 7 and this is the last part of this chapter Bipin Babu's Lives of Memory. In the previous video we saw that Bipin Babu got one letter envelope and it was very urgent, so he want to read it, and now we see that what was there in the letter. And here is the letter that Bipin Babu got. Dear Bipin, I had no idea that affluence would bring about the kind of change in you that it has done. Here, the meaning of affluence is a state of being rich. That the writer says that I have no any idea that your state of being rich makes change your nature. And was it so difficult for you to help out an old friend down on his luck? Was it so difficult that you didn't help your old friend? I have no money. The writer says that I have no any money. So my resources are limited. I have no any resources because I am very poor. What I have is imagination, that I have only my thoughts, a part of which I used in retribution of your unfeeling behavior. As in retribution means as a punishment for that I used my thoughts for your unfeeling behavior, for punishment, as a punishment for, well, you will be alright again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. Now the writer says that you will be alright now, but a novel I have written, the writer written one novel, and he said that it was considered by a publisher. If he likes it enough, if he likes the novel, it will see me through the next few months. Means it will be benefit for me to if the publisher like my novel. So this is the letter that Bipin Babu read, and the name of the writer is yours, Chunilal. The letter is written by Chunilal, Bipin Babu's friend. So this is the letter, and now we go for the last paragraph. And here is the last paragraph of this chapter, that when Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, I am fine. It all came back as soon I got off the train at Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu called Dr. Chanda that came over here and checked me because I am very bad condition. But now Dr. Chanda came and Bipin Babu said that I am alright now. It all came back means my memory recalled that my memory came back when I got off the train at Ranchi, when I came back from Ranchi. A unique case, sighed Dr. Chanda. Dr. Chanda became puzzled and said that a unique case. This is very strange case. I shall certainly write about it in a medical journal. Dr. Chanda said that I shall certainly, I fixedly write about it, about this case in a medical journal, means in my medical magazine I will write about this. I shall write about this case. The reason why I sent for you, sighed Bipin Babu, is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. The reason why I sent for you means why I call you, that the reason for this is that, sighed Bipin Babu, that is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall. When I fall at Ranchi, when I had fall at Ranchi, then I have pain in my hip, so please give me the medicine for that. If you could prescribe a painkiller for that pain, because I have pain in my hip, because I had fall in Ranchi. So now we see that after reading the letter, Bipin Babu recalled his memory, and his memory came back. So he said, Dr. Chanda, that I am alright now. So this is the whole chapter covered the lapse of memory of Bipin Babu, and at the end one letter recalled his memory. So I hope you understood whole story very well, and you have to read very carefully this story from your Honeydew textbook. And the writer of this story is Satyajit Ray. I hope you understood it very, very well. And now we will see the meaning words of this story. And here are the meaning words of this story, Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. So we start now. Number 1, lapse. Lapse means loss. And number 2, recollect means recall. Number 3, observing, watching. Meek means humble, polite. Inconceivable means unthinkable. Reeled means spun. And deliberate means unintentional. So these meaning words, and now we go for the next. And here is number 8, that slight means a little, a small. 9, nuts means becoming mad. 10, ruthless means hard. 11, sweating means perspiring. And number 12, tranquilizer means medicine to reduce stress. Number 13, asylum means mental hospital. Number 4, clamped means put. And number 15, in retribution of means a punishment for. So these are the meaning words of this chapter number 4. You have to read all the words and you have to repeat in your notebook. Thank you.